Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Crypto Corner. Today, we're diving into something that's been on a lot of minds: how to convert ETH to Doge in 2025. If you're holding Ethereum and eyeing Dogecoin for its fun community or potential gains, you're in the right place. This process has evolved with new regulations and tech advancements, so let's break it down step by step to make it super straightforward. First off, before we jump in, make sure you have a secure crypto wallet like MetaMask or Ledger, and an account on a reputable exchange. By 2025, platforms like Binance, Coinbase, or the emerging Quantum Swap will be your go-to spots, with enhanced security features to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your chosen exchange and verify your account. With stricter global regulations in 2025, you'll need to complete KYC, know your customer, processes to ensure everything's above board. Once verified, deposit your ETH into your exchange wallet. This might involve transferring from your personal wallet via a blockchain network, which could take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Next, head to the trading section and find the ETH to Doge swap option. Most exchanges will have a simple interface where you select ETH as your sell asset and Doge as your buy asset. Enter the amount you want to convert, and double-check the exchange rate. Crypto prices can be volatile, so keep an eye on that. After confirming the trade, wait for it to process. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech like Ethereum 3.0, this should be quick. Once done, withdraw your Doge to your personal wallet for safekeeping. Always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication and use hardware wallets to avoid hacks. A few quick tips. Watch out for transaction fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to competition among exchanges, but they can still add up. Also, stay informed about market trends. Converting ETH to Doge could be part of a bigger strategy. If you're new to this, start small to minimize risks. There you have it, folks. Converting ETH to Doge in 2025 is easier than ever with the right steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.